Today's word is D-E-S-E-R-T. Desert or dessert. What? Yeah, they're both spelled exactly the same. They have a slightly different pronunciation, and they're two totally different parts of speech. Desert, D-E-S-E-R-T, desert, the noun, is that dry, sandy landform. You know, Mojave Desert, Gobi Desert, Sahara Desert. Got it. D-E-S-E-R-T, still the same of spelling. Now it's a verb, and we pronounce it desert. Desert. And it means to abandon or leave. Don't desert the ship. Oh, okay, don't leave the ship. Got it. But here it's desert and here it's dessert. And you're thinking, what about the one D-E-S-S-E-R-T? Not spelled the same, but still confusing. That's that sweet thing you have at the after dinner. A dessert, like a cake or a cookie. Got it. Why does English have so many words that are so close and yet oh so far away? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence, I hope. Don't desert your car if it breaks down in the desert. What? Come on, English.